Welcome to this tutorial on how to integrate Venmo transfer into your online platform. Venmo is a popular peer-to-peer payment service that allows users to send and receive money online. Integrating Venmo transfer into your platform can provide a convenient and secure way for users to make transactions. To begin the integration process, you will need to create a Venmo business account and obtain an API key. This key will be used to authenticate your API requests and ensure secure transactions. You can create a Venmo business account by visiting their website and following the sign-up process. Once you have obtained your API key, you can start making API requests to the Venmo platform. The first step is to set up a payment button on your platform that will allow users to initiate a Venmo transfer. This can be done by using the Venmo API to generate a payment token that will be used to authenticate the transaction. When a user clicks the payment button, they will be redirected to the Venmo website where they will be prompted to log in and authorize the transaction. Once the transaction is authorized, the funds will be transferred from the user's Venmo account to your platform's Venmo account. To receive notifications about the transaction status, you can use the Venmo webhook system. This system will send notifications to your platform when a transaction is completed or fails. You can use these notifications to update the transaction status on your platform and provide a better user experience. Best practices for integrating Venmo transfer include handling errors and exceptions properly and providing a clear and concise user interface. You should also ensure that your platform is secure and compliant with all relevant regulations. In conclusion, integrating Venmo transfer into your online platform can provide a convenient and secure way for users to make transactions. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial and using the Venmo API, you can provide a seamless payment experience for your users. Remember to handle errors and exceptions properly and ensure that your platform is secure and compliant with all relevant regulations.